In recent times, Binance lose partner in US, bank partners. They have problem with US regulator. So this is where you'll be able to make profit with this trade, P2P. You head over to your P2P account, then you press P2P. You have to change this coin to your home country. For example, let me use Nigeria. After selecting Nigeria, then you will buy the USDT with your currency. Over here, you'll be buying 100 USDT like 74,500. This is how much you'll be buying. After buying this, then you have to just click over here, press USDT. After placing USD, you just need to create order over here. You'll find a video on my channel that shows you how to create sell order. After creating sell order, then your order will show over here. For you to be able to do this process, you have to have USD bank, so where you can receive US dollar. Over here, there is a various of app you can use to receive USD in your account, that's dollar. So this most popular account, the most popular bank account you can use is Wise. I recommend this, and I'm going to choose Revolut also. Revolut. I'm going to select this. This is the two major app you can use that you'll be able to make profit with this kind of process. Just press continue. Over here, this guy is selling his USDT at $1.1. This guy is selling his USD at 1.012. So a lot of people based in various countries, so they only have access to Revolut or Wise. This is where you'll be able to make money, because if I'm not in US, then I won't be able to have Binance US local bank account. But with this Wise account, you'll be able to have various local bank accounts. So, and these guys over here, they are not selling like $100 worth of USDT. They are selling like $400, $800. So some guys on Binance over here, they don't have a lot of money, but they want to withdraw. They want to buy like $100 worth of USDT. So this is where you'll be able to make money. Let me scroll down. You see this guy over here. He's selling on Wise account. Anyone who have Wise, he can buy from this guy over here. If selling is, because if you create sell order, it's going to bring it out as for someone else to buy. That's how this work. So this guy is selling his USDT to dollar at 1.018. So let me press now as if I want to buy this dollar over here. I will be pressing $100. So if I will be sending $100 to this guy account, then I will be receiving 98.23 cents. That's 23 cents. So in this trade, I will be making 1.77 cents in this trade. So mind you, you have to say this these terms and conditions apply. You don't have to include crypto. You don't have to pay for third party account, stuff like that. So as soon as you are the only one that is selling this Bitcoin at this price, some other people are selling like 100. You can put your own as $50. If you manage to make like 5 trades in a day, make the calculation. 5 days, 5 times 1.77. That is going to be $8.80 times 750. That is going to be 6,000 every day. That's just 5 trades every day. With you'll be making 6,593 naira in a day with just 75,000, 75,000, no 74, 7,500, 4,500. You'll be making this kind of money. You'll be using this kind of money to make 6,500 and 6,500 every day. If you manage to make at least 5 trades in a day, let's say you are able to make, let's say you are able to make like you are able to make like 90 trades a day. That's 3 trades a day. 3 trades a day, that's 90 times 1.77. That's $159 times 745. That is going to be 180,678. You will just process. With this kind of mode of training, it is not very easy because this is not a get rich quick scheme. So you just have to be patient. If you are unable to make up to this kind of trade in a month, you'll be able to make $50 or $70 with this kind of trading partner. On this, just get this right. Make sure you create this Wise account and Revolut. I'm going to relieve these two accounts, the link for you to be able to create your account with Revolut and Wise account, so you'll be able to practice this kind of process. Some people, they want someone to make every step for them. You want to make money online, you just have to invest your time to make this research. If you like this mode of trading, you will try this, you make your investigation. But my own is just give you information, so don't just try to see something online then try to go with it like that. Nobody is going to make every step by step for you. Then this is just the information I find online, and this actually work. People are doing this, but it depends on how many trades you can make to get this kind of money every month. So at least there is possibility to make money with this. So make sure, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell.